Hi guys! Welcome back again and again sa aking YouTube channel. At kung bago ko pa lang sa channel ko, itong channel ito is nagre-review ng mga online loan application na pwede mong utangan once nagkaroon ka ng emergency moments. So yun guys, may mga links ako dyan sa pinned comment. Pwede mo yung i-check para mag-direct ka dun sa kanilang application or website. Ayan nga guys, habang naghahanap ako ng mautangan online and then napascroll ako sa Google, ayan, ito yung nahanap ko, si First Circle. Ayan, get a business loan in just one day. And pwede ka nga daw dito makaloan ng 20 million pesos. O, diba? Ganon kalaki. So, ito guys is nag-o-offer sila ng credit line with non-collateral. So, free to guys, no? Free yung application. Ayan nga guys, habang nag-aantay ako ng approval dito kay Savvy, so last vlog ko yun, diba? Chinek ko na rin kung anong meron dito kay First Circle at kung maganda dito mag-apply. Magkano kaya yung pwedeng ipaloan nila sa akin kasi 20 million pesos yung ino-offer nila. Ayan, bago ang lahat guys, at kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, meron po pala kaming weekly Gcash giveaway, which is, namimili ako guys ng 5 lucky winners, and then tuwing Monday yung announcement natin. Ang gagawin mo lang is magsusubscribe ka sa aking YouTube channel, magla-like ka ng mga videos ko, and then magko-comment ka ng 3 tamang keywords na nakaspread throughout the video. And then sa last Monday nga ng September, meron tayong 1 lucky winner ng pa-cellphone giveaway natin. Ayan po, marami na po nakatanggap ng kanilang pa-weekly Gcash giveaway, and then malay mo, ikaw na yung susunod. Ay, so yan nga, kapag interesado ka dito sa First Circle na ito, na kung saan nga guys, is nagpapaloan sila ng business loan up to 20 million pesos, na in just one day daw, is pwede mo nang makuha yung pera mo. So, let's get to the topic na agad guys. So, dito nga guys, na curious ako sa kanilang ini-o-offer na business loan, no? So, 20 million pesos for free. So, dito guys is what makes our product the best in the market. So, nakalagay dito guys is withdraw a business loan from your credit line on the same business day. So, yan nga guys, get up to 20 million credit limit with no collateral or application fees. So, dito guys, meron silang dedicated contact person to assist with application and withdrawal. So, may mag-a-assist sa atin once na gusto mong mag-apply dito. So, ito guys yung kanilang rates and terms. Grabe no, milyones na talaga yung labanan dito kay First Circle. So, yan guys, processing fee or subscription fee is free. Yan, kung 200 million yung kukuhain mo, sobrang laki, no? So, dito is collateral requirement, none. Loan period is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So, repayment option nila, guys, is monthly, bi-monthly, or one time. Ayan. Best price guarantee is will beat other unsecured loan offers by 10%. So, yan guys, sa mga nakapag-loan na dito kay First Circle, kindly comment your experience para magkaroon kami ng idea kung anong meron dito. Pero for now, check natin kung ano-ano yung mga eligibility requirements dito. So, dito guys, it only take 3 minutes para ma-assess daw yung application mo. Syempre, ito yung mga requirements. Your business is registered with BIR, DTI, or SEC. Yan, kailangan daw yung business mo is naka-registered. You are resident of the Philippines with a government-issued valid ID or ARC or Alien Registration Card. So, dito guys, your business annual revenue is at least 5 million pesos. So, may revenue at least 5 million pesos, no? So, kung maliit lang pala yung revenue mo dito, is hindi ka pwedeng makapag-apply, hindi ka maa-aprobahan. So, ito guys, yung mga step para makapag-apply dito kay First Circle. So, step 1 to step 3, apply online. Yan, may application form na kailangan mong i-email within just 1 business days. So, dito guys, submit requirements. Sabi dito, if you pass our initial screening, a dedicated account manager will help you collect your requirements. Our paperwork is minimal and you won't pay any fees. Hindi katulad ng mga payment first na nakikita natin sa Facebook. So, nga pala, huwag kayong aasap sa mga ganunong loan application na nakikita natin sa Facebook kasi mga payment first yun. And then, kalaunan kapag nag-payment ka is mawawala na. And then, step 3, use your credit line. Ayan, just contact your account manager or log into your account whenever you need funds from your credit line. So, ito guys is hindi lang pala siya business loan, pwede mo rin siya guys na gawing emergency fund. Na kung saan nga guys is kapag nag-apply ka, pwede mong hindi agad gamitin yung nasa credit line mo na na-approve. Pwede mo yung gamitin kung kailan mo need ng pera. Parang emergency funds mo siya, no? So kapag nag-apply ka ngayon, pwede mong hindi agad iyon kunin or withdrawin. So ito guys yung documentary requirements nila, pero hindi mo to agad-agad pwedeng ipasa hanggat hindi pa nila nako-confirm na you are qualified daw sa kanilang credit line. So kukontakin ka muna ng account manager nila para makollect itong mga documentary requirements nito. Once na ikaw ay okay na, ito yung mga need mong ihanda. A valid government ID. Siguro mag-provide ka dito ng dalawa, no? And then, itong AFS, which is Audited Financial Statement or Income Tax Return or ITR. Bank statements, trading relationships, and last one is proof of ongoing or upcoming project. So, siguro ito talaga yung pang business talaga to guys. Ayun guys, meron naman sila dito na frequently asked question, which is, pwede ka dito magbasa kung ano yung mga katanungan mo at ma-check mo kung ikaw ay eligible na umutang dito kay First Circle. So, yan lang guys yung all about dito kay First Circle. So, hindi na ako nakapag-apply kasi wala naman akong ITR, wala naman akong business. So, for sake po ng mga may business dyan na gusto mag-try dito kay First Circle, much better na manood muna kayo ng mga reviews about dito and then magbasa ng mga reviews bago nyo applyan siya. So, dito nga guys, is nakita ko lang siya sa Google and then chinek ko kung magkano ba talaga yung offer niya. Ayan po, para po sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button at hit nyo na rin guys yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga ganitong utangan serye natin and then sa ating mga pa-weekly Gcash giveaways. So, bye-bye no muna for now guys. See you on my next vlog.